Hello everyone. So, not going to do a full video this week. That's mostly because I'm waiting on a large order of silver from the European Mint, but hopefully this time next week I'll be able to bring you a full unboxing video of that. So instead, I'm just going to give you a very quick one looking at what's arrived in the post for me this week. So first up is we have a couple of silver crowns, George III and George IV. These are actually duplicates for me, so what I'm doing is these are at this point becoming just more general silverweight for the stack. Another thing that showed up was I finally got myself a proper loop. And this has been very, very good fun for me because now it means that I can go through my pocket change every time I go to the shops and have a look at pound coins. So pound coins, as you will, I'm sure, be aware, recently changed from this style. Nope, that's not going to go into focus. The old-fashioned one that we've had since the 1980s into the new bimetallic ones. And there's a couple of interesting little security features on these. First up is the lenticular security feature beneath the Queen's face, which again it doesn't want to show. Basically in the right light it shows either a pound sign or a 1. But the other thing is around the edges there are numbers, or rather on this side there is micro engraving that says, oh never mind, it's not going to focus on it, but around the edges of the coin just against the raised rim, on this side it says £1, and on this side it says the year. Except in some cases the two don't match, so you actually have what's marked as being say a 2017 coin, but with it saying 2016 on the other side, and those are quite rare and quite valuable. The problem is the engraving is so small that you really need a loop in order to be able to spot them, so I have one now, so I can look out for them, which is going to make trips to the shop a lot more fun, and I'm sure get me a lot more funny looks. So there we have it, just a quick one for this week, and then I'll hopefully be back in full service next week. Bye for now.